Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a Word document. This is a great way to keep your sensitive information secure. So let's get right into it. I have got a Word document here that's chock full of top secret cupcake recipes. Once your document is open, click on the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Info on the left-hand side. Then click on Protect Document. You will see several options, but for now, we are interested in Encrypt with Password. After you click Encrypt with Password, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a password. Make it strong, like your coffee on a Monday morning. Type your password, then press OK. You will be asked to re-enter your password to confirm it. Make sure you remember this password. Without it, you won't be able to access your document. After confirming your password, save your document. Your Word file is now encrypted and protected with a password. Let's test it out. Close the document and reopen it. You should now be prompted to enter the password. Type in the password you said earlier and you will gain access to your document. It's that simple. And there you have it. Your Word document is now securely protected with a password. This is an essential step if you're dealing with sensitive or confidential information. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Have any questions or need further assistance? Please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Take care.